In today's video, I'm going to expand my ideas on what is going on in the relationship marketplace. And in the previous video, we talked about how you should never chase women. If you have not seen it, go into my channel, go watch it, because it is important to know some things before you build on this video. So this is going to be a very short one, not really thought out video that talks on a very specific point. How to deal with rejections from women, but also how to deal with women in general. So attention is the currency of women. Let's elaborate a little bit on that. So the idea is that in general, if you look around you, what women desire is attention. It's the same reason why a lot of men get rejected. It's the same reason why you may talk to her, but you may never get to fuck her. And this idea is based on they need validation, they need attention, and through this way they achieve their safety and sort of, let's say, status. So that's the same reason why women have so many DMs, talk with all of these guys, but don't fuck all of them. All right. And it's the same reason why they try to look as good as they can on Instagram, why they post themselves, because they crave this attention, this validation. They don't understand it most of the times. They got to get a little bit older and really want to work on themselves and understand fundamentally what they seek. And again, this is just the nature of them. I don't criticize it, even though I think from a point of view, it is narcissistic behavior, to be completely transparent. Essentially, in the age of social media, this attention desire has got out of hand. You see half-naked women, you see women responding to so many men, giving them hopes, then dumping them. This is purely narcissistic behavior. And when this desire gets out of touch, because in the age of social media, women that are not so good looking get so much attention from men. They get addicted to this attention. And the only way to get this dopamine effect that they get out of this attention is to be more extreme and crave more and get into this self-destructing loop where they just become hoes. I didn't say all of women will get to that point. Of course, there are some social norms. It's how you grew up, the values of your family, etc. But this is a very bad loop that society is in, and this mainly affects women. So, how to deal with rejection? There is only one way to deal with women on pretty much everything. The woman wants your attention. When she's in a relationship with you, she wants your attention, to feel that you love her, that she's emotionally, this is the most important thing, she feels emotionally safe from your attention. All right. So when you're a woman, I will start with a relationship, a simple example. When she's not behaving as she should, and this is objective, not subjective, when she objectively has a bad behavior, the only thing you can do is to remove your attention. This is what hard love means, and pushing boundaries and putting boundaries. You got to remove your attention, because this is the only thing that may get her to think. Because by removing your attention, you remove this safety barrier, and she has to put herself together, drop her ego, and this is the most important thing. What you need to do in a relationship with a woman is she needs to stop putting her ego, her narcissistic behavior over your relationship. A man can do it pretty easily. A woman can't. And if she can't do it, if you do not teach her to do it by removing your attention, your relationship will be finished very, very soon. So, attention is the currency of women. If you do not give women your attention, In a relationship, starting with a relationship, she has no power over this thing and she will budge. So play with attention, and don't manipulate people. All right, this video is done to make your relationships more healthy, not to manipulate the other person. It's important to understand because so many men do exactly the opposite, which is destructive. There is balance. You give attention, especially on good behaviors. You remove attention on bad behaviors till the problem gets fixed. Simple as that. Now, how do you deal with rejection? Let's say your woman tells you to split up. Let's say your woman doesn't behave, you have put boundaries. She really rejects your relationship in an indirect manner by not accepting your boundaries. When you go up to a woman, you talk to her, you flirt her, you get rejected, etc., etc. Or when you try to flirt or whatever, you look at her and you don't get anything back. There is only one thing you can do. It's simple. It's hard because you think of her, you want to try, you say this time will be different. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe blah, blah, blah. No, you're not wrong usually. You're usually not wrong, man. When you're wrong, you really know it. You don't guess, because your logical mind is usually stronger than your emotional mind, all right? When you're at fault, you surely know it. When you question yourself if you are at fault, you are just getting gaslighted by the woman. You're thinking with your emotional head. Fuck it. So, the only thing you can do is remove the attention you give. And this messes up with women so much, even if she doesn't like you, but had your attention and she felt that attention, she is going to think in her mind what's going wrong. She will try to get this attention back from you one way or another, if she's a little bit at least interested. If you're not good looking or if you have fucked it up completely, then yeah, she won't care probably, or may in one instance indirectly give attention. But what you have to understand is that, as I've said in the previous video, the woman chooses you. You don't choose the woman, and the woman needs to come to you. You are the garden, she's the butterfly, butterfly comes to the garden. You are the sun, the woman gets pulled as a planet to you because you grab her through your energy and gravity. Go watch the previous video. I don't want to go over it again. It was like 13 minutes video. So you remove your attention. If she cares just a little, she will try to get your attention back in a very small, silly manner because they don't know how to flirt. They don't know how to approach. They're very scared of doing it. And you have to understand, man, if you've got the guts to talk to a woman that you don't know, you are above any other woman in the flirt marketplace. They don't know how to flirt. They say silly things. They're purely idiotic, always anxious. They don't know shit about flirting. They don't know, okay? And they don't have to know. It's perfectly fine. We don't care, really. We like silly things, okay? So, remove your attention. She will try to grab it again. Don't give your attention back immediately. Make her crave your attention more. If she's really into you or if she cares a little bit about it, don't fold so easily. Don't get played. If you remove your attention and she grabs it instantly by doing a silly little thing, you are fucked because she will know that you're a little bitch and you got played. Remove your attention. Don't give it back. Ignore. At the end of the day, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months, sometime in the future when the time is right, she will be so messed up in her head that she will make a bold move. She may be a little drunk. She may talk with her friends like 2 weeks and she will try something more bold to grab your attention. Then only after that, when she plays her cards, opens all of her cards, then maybe you can direct your attention back. And then you have to move fast. Don't half-ass it. You go for the move, you go for the... You know what? It's important to understand. Till you care, she's not yours. She's actually never yours, but essentially, if you don't care, she doesn't really like you. There's just a little bit of interest. You really need to care good, that she craves more, she gravitates around you, and when you want, you give it. That's all. That's all. It's a simple game. It's a simple narrative. It requires you to be focused on other things. It requires you to be patient, to not be desperate, to be in a state and a mind of abundance, of opportunities, of trust in something higher that it's going to work out. So that's the idea. I'm just trying to put some very small thoughts into you. Maybe they make sense, maybe they're bullshit, but this is what I have understood in the past 10 years. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Maybe it's not black and white. Maybe I'm a little bit wrong. Maybe I'm quite right. Maybe I'm right for some women. Maybe I'm wrong for other women. But play with your attention, man. It's super important.